this chatter? Oh, it's a GoPro.
Yeah.
Horrible plan.
Hopefully this works. Recording? What is recording? Oh, it's not recording anymore. Yeah.
We fast. There's like 2 seconds no fight. There's no What do you think you catch first? A bass? Or a dogfish?
4 consecutive state record bluegill in a row.
Oh yeah, I forgot about those. I just like to not fast. Right over your eye. Yeah, I suck at I'm back in.
It's not true.
Does this video have audio?
Yes, it does. Case.
We best.
Still haven't caught anything yet. Just probably been fishing for about 30 minutes. Hopefully we catch something today so I can show you guys if we're recording. Sorry, this is my first time recording with this. But we are fishing and we got our line in the water. If you guys, I'm kind of new to river fishing, so if you guys have any advice at all to help, can you please leave that in the comments? Because I didn't river fish for bass all that much, and hopefully this summer I'll be able to fish more. And if you guys give me any advice, so I would take that into account and use it. So if you do have an advice, please leave it down below. So we got tied back on, and I fished for a little bit more, but the recording, it wasn't recording. Fished for a little bit more. Got one bite, had a bluegill swim up. It's the first fish I've seen besides minnows. And if you made it this far, hopefully you can subscribe. Ran into this kid named Theo. He likes fishing, and he's just moved here from a couple towns away, and he forgot his rod at his house, and he likes fishing, and he just came down here and he says he likes to watch people fish. But I think I'm gonna head down there. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Out to the point down there. There's a little sand part. And I'll stop recording so I don't bore you with the walk. So I just got down to the spot and tried to set my tackle box down, and we are in a mess. Trapped most of the tackle box, and it's super windy. I'm sorry if the audio sucks, but I'm gonna try to get this cleaned up. I'm actually gonna have to. Try to grab one thing. This is what I hate about treble hooks. Try to grab one thing, you get the whole thing comes out, which sucks a lot. Cause I'm just trying to fish. I am not trying to just organize, clean up a tackle box. So I'm probably gonna stop recording. It's boring, but hopefully we can fix this. Alright guys, we are back in business. Got it all cleaned up. No hooks anywhere, so nobody stepping. I'm trying to enjoy the fishing like I am right now. And yeah, we got a new spot. Not new, but a different spot. And hopefully we get one right here. I need to do this so I can get monetized, so I can make money, so I don't get kicked out of the house. But I'll take my backpack off. Hopefully restart recording. Please restart recording. Yes. I'm double checking if you're still recording, but I have stopped recording about 20 times now, and I've been fishing for about 3 hours, and I have not that much, not 3 hours of footage.